Okay, here we are on the workbench, and this is where we do our terminations. And the typical termination is these FME connectors, or we can fit the SMA connectors. So what we do is we put a bit of heat shrink on, and then it's important if you're doing your own terminations is to be very careful how you do the terminations, and we just make sure that it's all cut nice and clean, and then we mark around the plastic. And I find that a standing knife is the best way to do this. Okay, so then we're going to fit, at the moment we're going to fit an FME, and these are the standard FME connectors on nearly all the patch leads that you'll see. On goes the ferrule. You can do these yourself, but we do them here in the factory so that you don't have to worry about those things. Unless you've got the right crimpers, it can be a bit of a drama. So what we do now is we actually fold back all what we call the braid, and we have this silver foil here as well. So we just fold that back. Okay, so then we fit our little connector to the end, like that, and we then slide a piece over the top, which is the outside, and it's important that the centre piece doesn't touch the outside. It gives us a short. Okay, so we actually, I forgot one thing, we need to solder this in. So we'll just grab our solder. I don't crimp my connectors, I solder them all. So I put a bit of solder on there, a bit of solder on the tip, and then that gets soldered down into the centre conductor. Okay, so you can see now that that's all nicely sorted out. So then we put our outside piece on, pull our braid back up over there, slide the ferrule, get it right in a minute, slide the ferrule back up over the top, there's our connection, and then we just crimp it off. So that becomes, unless you've got these crimpers, it is a bit difficult. It's no good using pliers, you just won't work properly because it has this nice even crimp right around. Then we slide up our heat shrink and put it over the end, and there's our connector, our FME connector. So that's how we fit our connectors here in the workshop, right here on the bench. I mostly do all the terminations. Tim and Craig do the other part of the process, but it's a whole family business here at Little Devil Antennas. So we make them by hand, one by one. We have a lot of fun making antennas and providing a product that you can use anywhere, anytime, and you can keep in touch with your family using the internet or your mobile phone. Thank you for watching, and don't forget littledevilantennas.com.au is the only place you can purchase our antennas at the moment, but we will be hopefully having some resellers as time goes by. But at the moment, if you send us some mail or ring us through the website www.ldantennas.com.au and ring Tim or myself or Craig, and we will definitely be able to help you out. Thank you.